How to turn on or turn off Show Next Summary in Notification Center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Notifications. Then go down and tap on Schedule Summary. Next, in here, tap on Show Next Summary. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When you turn on the toggle button, then it will show the next summary in Notification Center before the schedule time. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.